Non-skid patch replacement. Required tools and approved materials. Create a template with the required size, then place it on the non-skid patch. Check the alignment of the grid lines and mark them using a marker pen. Place an aluminum bar or scale along the marked line and carefully cut along it using a knife. Cut carefully all the edges. After cutting the patch, grind the backside of the patch using a drum bit with 80 grit. Non-skid patch installation tools and materials. Use the cutting pieces or template to mark the required location on the tube. Place masking tape along the marked line and begin grinding with a drum bit using 80 grit. Clean the grinded area on the tube and the backside of the grinded patch with a cotton cloth in acetone to remove any dust or grinding residue. Apply the first coat of mixed ASIS adhesive glue to the grinded area on the tube and the backside of the grinded patch. After applying the first coat of glue, allow it to dry for 10 minutes. Then, apply a second coat of glue and let it dry for 5 minutes. Place one corner of the patch on the marked location, then slowly lay it down. Gently roll it with a roller to remove any trapped air. Congratulations, you have completed the process.